Hello, I'm guys. Channel video planning course bara bana channel on the ningo blue channel nyala bade e video ma ini ha channel pra ba bana channel apai ngo se le pra bo channel nya ga apai li ko pra ha bana yam su channel lo tang lai bana for the topic ini ha channel pra ko se bana 5 English common phrases part 5 English sa bo bo apai ngo channel se le pra bo channel go se ko bana amina shang pra bi da amina channel ma shang pra bana apai ngo lo teng lai bana okay so let's start yam channel sa tang lai ko bana the first one I bet bana I have no idea I have no idea. I have no idea. Prashant David Gavana, I have no idea. I have no idea. The meaning to it, David Gavana, I don't know. 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 The way David Gavana, I have no idea. Chanomati bana chanomati. Chanoma kranyati mahibana chanomati. I have no idea. I don't know chanomati. Yamapun sentence. Okay. So how to make sentence that question? Yam mi phang bana chanomana zabu wo jalo okay. Example umana. Example, where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Prashant debi ka bana. Where did he go? Ska. Tu bedo khi dale. Tu bedo khi dale bana. Tu bedo khi dale. Tu sam tu lo kha dale bayang bana. Eko bana. I have no idea. Chano mati bana. I have no idea. Chano yang mati yang bro la bana. I have no idea. Okay. So let's go number 2. Yang number 9 select chano bana. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Prashant debi kana. I'm on my way sir. The meaning to it debi kana. I'm coming. I'm coming sir. I'm on my way sir. Chano la me chano la ni bi. Chano line kama bana chano la ni bi. Chano la me la ni bi yang betul. Okay. I'm on my way sir. Ika. Kodimoni bana kodimoni ya. Bahabuna. Tengah sana shen dibo soni siapa bana. Kuat bana. I'm on my way. Okay. Chano la ni bi. Chano la me yang betul. Okay. So how to make sentence that question? Yang mi phang bana chano bana ta bo jalo okay example umana. Example. When will you come? When will you come? When will you come? Prashant de bana when will you come? Main be do lam le, main be do lam le bana, main be do lam le. E ko bana when will you come is la main be do lam le. One more time. When will you come? Main be do lam le sa ko ai pila be isagal ma be pila bana. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Abiga is on I'm coming bana yang pila bana. I'm on my way. Chano line ma bana chano line kama chano line bi. Yang ba pun okay yang ba de bana pila be okay. So let's go number 3. Yang ba number 3 select ma chano bana. Chano is sagal ko bana chano nyaga lesson part 4 ma bana chano apa ni ma chano tan khabe. It's up to you. It's up to you sir. The minute do it de bana you decide. Mang song preba mang apa ma be mun ke bana. Sagal ni bana ta kha chano thelu ba sam sa English sa tang lai saka. Isa long ma tang bi kha isa long ma tang so ma ba. E hanga tu step by step learn la bana ko bai na ko learn ja bana lo. Sagal long di repeat bana prime no part ne pa bana yang mun okay yang na le ko ba de okay. It's up to you okay. So the minute do it de bana you decide. Mang song preba mang apa ma mun ke yang ba okay. So how to make sentence that question? Yang mi phang bana chano bana za bai wo ja lo so okay example umane na. Example, pizza or noodles. Prashant de bana pizza or noodles. Pizza sa ma pizza sa ma bana khausu sa bala pizza or noodles. Pizza or noodles. Pizza sa bala ma khausu kwa prola bana kena. It's up to you yang okay. It's up to you. Mang boy mang be mang song per okay. So let's go number 4. I'm just namely select bana. Number 4. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. The meaning do you have bana I'm tired sir. I don't have energy. I don't have energy. I'm tired sabana. I don't have energy. Chano pang mai bana chano pang ban de chano bana audition tim mahi ya yang betul okay. I'm tired. Chano pang ban de chano ma audition tim mahi ya okay. Ma pang ban ni ya okay yang betul okay. So how to make sense that question? Yang mi phang bana chano bana zabe wo jalo okay. Example umana. Example. I walked all day. I walked all day. Hanga bana past tense ba. WOR creative walks that allo look bana I walked all day. I walked all day. One more time. I walked all day. Prashant ma chano tani ko allo look bana pangban ni bana chano tani ko allo look pangban ni okay chano tani ko allo pangban ni okay. E ko I was tired am dia bana tani ko allo look I walked all day. Chano tani ko allo look bana ni ko allo tani I was tired chano pangban ni de yang okay. So let's go number 5. Yang chano mengo select ma chano bana don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. don't worry about it Proshan they become don't worry about it the meaning do it they become meaning it's okay no problem it's okay no problem it's okay sa rabba assembly no problem pretana mi bana it's okay no problem pretana mi yang betul okay don't worry about it sa pretana mi ada yang nak say mu ge yang betul okay kuma tang ni sang phai ba alung nau ja pho nang ta pho pretana mi bana e kwa pro la bana don't worry about it yang say mu ge okay assembly pretana mi yang betul okay so how to make sense that question yang mi pho ba chano bana za be wo ja lo so okay example umana example sorry I broke it sorry sa chano to ba na I broke broke it broke it sorry I broke it chano to ba ma de chano yang ga shoe min kha ba na shoe ke ba na broke sa yang shoe za ba na ta ku shoe min kha de I broke it chano shoe like de okay yang bu okay wa ba la sorry I broke it chano to ba de chano yang ga shoe like de yang bu okay chano shoe min kha de wa ba la ba na don't worry about it don't worry about it say ma bu ge yang ga ma so yin ge yang bu okay အားလုံးကကြည့်ကြမှာတဲ့ any video မှာကျွန်တော်တန်ခါစမနာ5 English common phrases part 5အင်္ဂလိပ်စာလုံးကိုအပိမောကိုကျွန်တော်ဆက်တာခါဆိုတော့ညာကျွန်တော် part 4အပိလေးကိုကျွန်တော်ဆက်တာခါပါတယ်အော်ဒီကိုနော်လေးဘယ်လိုညောင်းလာပါတယ်ဒီမှာဒါမှမဟုတ်ကျွန်တော်အတဲနေဆုံးပါနာအေးလို့တန်ခါစပါအပြောင်းရေးကြည့်ဝဲပြီးတန်ခါစပါနော်ဘလို့နော်လေးစငါလေးကျွန်တော် video မှာကျွန်တော်ထားပါဟောလို့တဲ့ကျွန်တော်အတဲနေဆုံး closer လို့လုပ်ပါမယ် okay အဲ့ဒီ video မှာအလားပါနောက် video ဒီမှာကျွန်တော်အကောဆုံး closer ပြင်နော်ကျွန်တော်အရှင်းဟင်းတလား okay bye bye see you next video